वेलकम बैक टू वीकेंड आउट। माय नेम इज गौरव। नाम तो सुना होगा। अब देखिए, किसी भी देश में राइटर्स लिखते हैं क्योंकि लोग पढ़ते हैं, पर इंडिया में एक राइटर ने इसलिए लिखना शुरू किया क्योंकि उन्होंने सोचा अब मैं बाकी इंडिया को पढ़ना सिखाऊंगा। एंड विद हिज फर्स्ट बुक 5 point something, it's not wrong to say that he actually made India read. No points for guessing who I'm talking about. I'm talking about the famous author Chetan Bhagat. He was in Dubai to inspire all of us. Novelist, columnist, scriptwriter, and youth icon. Chetan Bhagat engaged the audiences of Dubai with his unique characteristic wit and humor at a special motivational workshop. Sharing his thoughts on a range of topics, Bhagat touched upon the themes of inspiration and team building, as well as emphasized the importance of social media in today's fast-paced world.
I am on the social media, so I think you have to reach them where they are going. If you want to build focus or if you want to build imagination, reading is the only way. There is no other way. Nothing else builds imagination like reading. Watching TV, watching movies is fun, but it doesn't build your imagination. So keep reading.
Now, with his amazing sense of humor and characteristic wit, Chetan Bhagat spoke about a lot of things, including the importance of social media. He also stressed on the fact that team motivation was paramount if any company wanted its plans to be executed. Known to be a great power speaker, Chetan quotes extensively from his own experiences to validate his opinions.
Some of the books are like 2 states is and 5 point someone is, but sometimes it's not. But almost every character comes from some person I've known, of course.
From one book to 5 bestsellers, 3 Bollywood movies, columns, and playing a TV show host, Bhagat continues to challenge himself, which he claims is the key to his success.
Well, I also feel down sometimes, so I read motivation books, motivation articles, get inspired by other successful people, I think. Yeah.
With about 2.3 million Twitter followers and 4.2 million Facebook fans, Bhagat is indeed a populist person and a voice of the masses. So from Chetan Bhagat's speech, it's really clear that motivation is a driving factor for success, and one thing that can motivate you at any point is some good shopping, and Dubai is heaven for that. Recently, Dubai Mall में launch हुआ Garage के नए concept store का, and they launched their spring collection. Take a look. With over 65 million visitors annually and 1,200 stores, Dubai Mall is an attraction in itself. And adding to the splendor of the mall is Garage's new concept store in the mall that's situated right next to the famous Dubai Aquarium and the underwater zoo. Opening with a bang, Garage unveiled its store with an exciting range of fresh Spring Collection 2014. After a memorable photo shoot in Turks and Caicos, the impact of spring is sure to be felt at Garage this season. With a vibrant, colourful and bold collection, the Garage customer will find all that they need to get noticed.
The store is really fun and young and a nice concept in the Dubai Mall, and the spring collection is really gorgeous, young, hip. A lot of like statement t-shirts, fun and colourful tops, trousers, bikinis. Yeah, it's a really great collection this summer.
I really like it. I find the colours, they're really mood lifting, whereas you know how winter colours, they're quite dull and they're kind of staying, get cozy, hide from the cold kind of weather, but the spring collection is really bright and it just makes you want to go out and have fun.
It's really wonderful. You can see summery looks, a lot of prints, geometric flowers. It's really suitable for any taste.
From soft floral prints to neon colors to the Americana rebel look, the design team was inspired by the runway, street style and global trends of 2014. Spring brings warmer weather and most importantly, spring break. As Garage's campaign photos prove, there are no limits this spring. It's time to let loose and have fun. According to statistics, 90% people in the world are motivated by shopping and 100% people are motivated by a good meal, and that's exactly what's motivating and calling me right now. So you and I are going to take a short break, and when we come back, a great meal awaits us.